In a bustling office, Bob, the notorious procrastinator, decided to align his goals. "Today, I will conquer my to-do list," he declared. His colleague, Jane, raised an eyebrow. "Even the one from last year?" Bob nodded confidently. He started with a plan. Coffee first. But as he reached for his mug, he spotted a motivational poster. "Align your goals." Inspired, he rearranged his desk, aligning everything perfectly. Hours passed, and Jane returned. "How's the list?" she asked. Bob grinned. "I aligned my desk instead." Remember, sometimes aligning goals means aligning desks. Hit like, subscribe, and comment.